Hi everybody, today we're going to be setting up a Minecraft KVM server from KrakenServers.com. This particular server has 4 gigs of RAM, 50 gigs of storage space, 2 CPU cores, 1 terabyte premium bandwidth on a 1 gigabit network speed, 1 usable IP address. This IP address is dedicated, so it is yours to use while you are on this machine. It will never change. These servers are located in North America. And we're going to go ahead and order the 4 gig one, see how this works out. Alright, so for host name, go ahead and enter a host name. This can be any name you want. For name server 1 prefix and name server 2 prefix, NS1 and NS2 respectively. For root password, and this is very, very, very important, you need to have capital letters, lowercase letters, special digits, and numbers in a 9 to 15 character long password. Just because of how Microsoft Windows works, it is a requirement. Now, these servers are located in California. You can, if you would like, order additional IP addresses. However, for what we're doing today, we are only going to use one. Our DDoS protection is 5 gigabits per second, which comes free in our packages, running Windows 2012 with Java pre-installed. So it makes it very easy to run Minecraft this way. So once you have this page filled out, go ahead and click continue. The next page is all billing information such as PayPal, your address, phone number, that kind of stuff. I'm not going to show that information on here. Once you submit the order, it takes between 10 and 15 minutes for the server to be set up and running. That being said, I'll be back in about 10 minutes and we're going to log on to our server. Alright, we are back. It's been about 20 to 25 minutes since I was last here, and I have been waiting not so patiently for my server to be set up. So we are going to go to remote desktop connection. I have mine pinned to the start menu. If you search for it, it should be in your apps list. It is included in all versions of Windows. In here, we're going to enter our IP address and click connect. Here, if you do not see administrator, click more choices and type it in. Enter your password. Correctly the first time. Alright, we are now connected, and we're going to set up our FTP server first. So, FTP access, XAMPP, great stack. It is a Linux derivative item, very good program, and we're going to use the FTP server option. In this, we're going to go to the X down here. It may actually start opened on your screen. So we're going to click on the admin. Well, excuse me. First, you're going to click start right here, and then click admin. Click on OK. We're going to go to edit and users. This information is also included in your welcome email. We're going to highlight administrator, and we are going to highlight all of this and enter the password that you want to have in there. I've already done this step, so I'm going to go ahead and click OK. That is all there is to it. It is very simple. Go ahead and minimize this and minimize this. That will come in handy for later on. So we are going to set up a Minecraft server. It's very quick, very simple, very painless. We're going to open the folder on the desktop. We're going to check the README first file, and it says in here that we need to start the jar file, and the server should start, and then quit immediately. Okay, so we're going to start the jar file. Java is pre-installed, makes it very simple for this to start up and work very quickly. All right, so our EULA is here. We're going to double click, and we're going to rename or redo this to true. Click the red X and click save. It's been installed, and we can start with the server start .exe down here, or batch file right here. As this starts, it is going to create a bunch of things right here in this folder, including the logs, the world folder, IP ban lists, everything. This is everything that you will use to configure your server. It is now pretty much done. It's up to 45% completed. So we're going to go start Minecraft and get that set up. This is vanilla Minecraft 1.11.2, so it is the newest version of Minecraft. We're going to click on multiplayer and add server. Server address will be the same IP address that you just connected to with your remote desktop. And click OK. Minecraft server is there. It is running. We double click on it. Very easy, very simple, good to go. We are in Minecraft. Once it catches up. There we go. Took a second for the world to catch up to me. Okay, that being done, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect and exit Minecraft. Okay, so that's basic Minecraft server setup. Very simple, very easy. But what good's Minecraft if you can't necessarily talk to your friends while you're playing it with them, correct? So let's set up a TeamSpeak 3 server. So we're going to go here to Google Chrome, which is also pre-installed on the server for you. And we're going to download the 64-bit version of TeamSpeak 3. TeamSpeak 3, if you didn't know, is a free program that you can use to talk to all of your friends. Nice little program. So we're going to go ahead and open this now that it's done downloading, and we're going to drag this right to our desktop. TeamSpeak 3 is a little bit harder to set up, as we are going to have to go edit our ports in the firewall, which doesn't take long. It's just a little bit extra work to do. So we're going to go here and we're going to look at the ports. So we're going to use 3 different ports. 2 of them are TCP and 1 of them is UDP. So we are going to go in here, go to Tools, Windows Firewall. Go to Inbound Rules and click New Rule. Do Port, click Next. We're going to do the UDP port first because there is only one of those. And we're going to specify port. So it's 9987. I'm just going to copy and paste. That way I know for a fact that I have not screwed that one up. That is the important one. Click Next through all of these. And we're going to name it TS3, or TeamSpeak 3, UDP. Because it's the UDP port. Now, we're going to add the other 2 ports. New rule, port, click Next, and TCP. Here we're going to add 1011, 10011, and a comma, and 30033. With a space in between for making it look prettier. Click Next, all through all these again, and TCP or TeamSpeak 3. And done. Now that those are done, we're going to go in here to the TeamSpeak 3 server folder. Double click the server exe. Click Run. It's going to start and make some files and give us a privilege key. We're going to copy this. We can minimize this right now. I would not close out of the TeamSpeak 3 server. We're going to go ahead and open our TeamSpeak 3. As you can see, I already have mine open and I have my information plugged in. I'm going to click Connect and add in our privilege key. Very simple, very easily done. We now have a TeamSpeak 3 server that you can add channels and edit as you see fit. So next we're going to upload a special Minecraft server, a modded Minecraft server. And if you give me a few minutes, I am going to go download that and we'll be right back. Okay folks, so I went and got the Minecraft server that I wish to use. It is my personal Minecraft server that I have hosted in a couple of places right now. We are going to upload that through FTP. So what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and minimize this, open up the WinSCP program, enter your login information using the FTP protocol, which is on port 21. It'll be your IP address that you got in your confirmation email, your username, and password that we covered earlier in the video. Click login. It's going to do some things. We're going to find our file that we need, this one right here, drag it and drop it in the file. It is going to upload our file. Now I've already actually uploaded this, but it'll show up in the library's My Documents FTP folder, which is accessible right in your My Documents. Once that's up and finished uploading, you double click on the zip file or RAR file or whatever and extract it to the desktop. I already have mine on here, so this makes it very easy. So we are going to open this, set your server settings as you wish, and double click server start. To save in the video making process, I started mine a little while ago and it should be about finished. And it is. Alright, so we're going to add it in here using add server. You enter your IP address and everything just like you normally would. And ta-da, we have our Kraken servers Minecraft server KVM up and running. Very simple, very easy, very effective. These guys did an excellent job on this. That being said, I hope that you found this informative, if maybe a bit long. I am going to end this video here. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to add them in the comments down below. If you like the video, thumbs up. If you dislike the video, thumbs down. And everybody have a wonderful afternoon.